Again, my name is Lauren Crow, and a quick introduction about me. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. I'm a bisexual cisgender woman and a third grade teacher. You're going to be receiving guidance on how to make your children's yoga practice inclusive to members of the LGBTQIA plus community. And also, we have a checklist of things to consider when you're creating those lesson plans. But I think that it is important for us to be aware what this is, and also to know that all of these words aren't bad words or scary words. They're just ways that people identify and how people are. You're gonna make mistakes. I make mistakes. And the ultimate thing is to acknowledge that you're learning and growing from them. So sharing about your biases can feel uncomfortable and can feel overwhelming. But by taking the time to think about it and to really be aware of, oh my gosh, I have thought that, that some children are too young to transition, or I thought kids couldn't talk about gender, that they wouldn't understand it. By being aware of those biases, you can then say, well, what can I learn about this from? And so it's just a reminder that our biases are not bad, but if we are acting on them and it's causing harm, then we need to figure out where they're coming from and what we can do. So we're working together, and recognizing your privilege and recognizing your power is so important, and you can be such a powerful influence on these students.
And you are a treasure, man. Your kids are so lucky to have you, and we're so lucky to be here to learn from you. Um, as I mentioned earlier, it's so critical that this is brought into kids yoga classes. There's trainings everywhere on adult classes, but I want to thank the Kids Yoga Conference for offering this too. You know, they deserve the credit for bringing you here. And I love too that you're bringing in Susanna and Michelle. You know, you're not just, ooh, this is all about kids and queers and yoga, but you are bringing in so many other people who have been doing, DEI and social justice work forever. So kudos to you, man. You're on your 200 track, and I think you're awesome. So thank you so much.
The goal again is to just make yoga needs to be inclusive and should be a place that all kids feel loved. And as ultimately, if you're able to just show your students and show them that you love, that you care about them, you're doing so much. And that's so, so important.